Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you all are fine. Welcome to Maths Made Easy. This is Iram Seema. In our today's lesson, lesson number 5 of unit 2, which is real number, we will learn about the square roots of non-perfect square and to find the number of digits in the square root of perfect squares through formulas. So let's start our lesson. Now first we will learn about non-perfect square numbers. A number whose square root is not a whole number is called a non-perfect square numbers. Mean if we take the square root of 20 for example, and the answer we get 4.472, which is not a whole number. Here in this number we have a decimal point, so this number is a decimal number. So such number means the 20 is non-perfect square number, because if we take the square root of 20, it does not give us a whole number. मीन्स अगर कोई ऐसा नंबर जिसका हम रेडिकल लेते हैं या स्क्वायर रूट लेते हैं तो हमारे पास एक होल नंबर नहीं आता बल्कि डेसिमल नंबर आता है, तो ऐसे नंबर को हम कहते हैं कि ये नॉन परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर है। इसी तरह रेडिकल 45 is equals to 6.708, which is a decimal number, so 45 is not perfect non-perfect square number. Hopefully आपको इससे अच्छी समझ आ गई होगी. Now we'll find the square root of non-perfect square through division method up to a certain decimal point. Now in example we have to calculate the square root of 96, which is a non-perfect square number. We will calculate it through division method. So first we will write 96 inside the division sign. As in the first step, we make the pair from left to right. In a pair, we take this 96 as a whole number. So we will select a number whose square is equals to 96 or less than 96, not more than 96. तो वो नंबर हमारे पास 9 है, 9 9s are 81. तो हम 9 को चूज करते हैं, बिकॉज अगर 8 को करते हैं 8 8s are 64 होता है, विच इज मोर लेस देन 96. अगर हम 10 लेते हैं तो 10 का स्क्वायर 100 के इक्वल होता है, जो कि ग्रेटर देन है 96 के, इसलिए हम 9 चूज करते हैं बिकॉज इट्स स्क्वायर इज 81. तो 9 9s are 81. नाउ वी विल माइनस इट. जब इसको माइनस करते हैं हमारे पास आता है 15. अब डिवाइजर्स में हम लोग 9 और 9 को ऐड कर लेते हैं, मीन्स वी विल टेक द डबल ऑफ 9, दैट इज 18. Here you see the divisor is greater and the dividend is smaller than divisor, so we will place the decimal point after 9 and write 2 zeros after 15. तो ये हमारे पास आ गया 1500. अब हम यहाँ पे 7 पुट करेंगे एंड 187 को 7 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. तो ये हमारे पास आता है 1309. तो ये हो गया हमारे पास 187 multiply with 7 equals to 1309. Now we will minus it. अब हम इसको माइनस करते हैं तो माइनस करने से हमारे पास आता है जैसे 1 then 9 and here we will 4 minus 3 equals to 191. Again we will put 2 zeros after it and in the divisor we will add 7 and 7. mean 187 में हम 7 को ऐड करेंगे तो देखिए क्या आता है, that is 194. Now we will put 9 right to the number which is 194 and this whole number become 1949. Now we will multiply this whole number with the number 9 and this number 9 we will also write in the quotient. As we multiply this 9 with the number 1449, we get the answer 17,541, which we will write down to the dividend, and when we minus it we get the answer 1559. Here we will stop doing division further. I have calculated this division till 2 decimal point, so our answer mean the square root of 96 equals to 9.79 up to 2 decimal point. Hopefully आपको इसकी अच्छे से समझ में आया होगा. Our next topic is number of digits in the square root of a perfect square. If n is the number of digits in a perfect square and we are asked to find the number of digits in its square root, then we use two formulas. Number one, we have x equals to n divided by 2 if n is even. Here this n is the number of digits. This n shows the number of digits of perfect square. If that is even, then we use x equals to n divided by 2. If the number of the digits of a perfect square number is odd, then we use x equals to n plus 1 divided by 2. We can understand this concept through an example in which we have to find the number of digits in the square root of the given number, which is 256. Here 256 is a perfect square. यहाँ पे 256 के जो number of digits हैं वो 3 हैं. Number of digits in 256, n equals to 3. Now we will use the formula which we use for the number which we have odd. Therefore, we will use the formula in which we have x equals to n plus 1 divided by 2. Here we will write the number 3 instead of n. 3 plus 1 divided by 2 equals to 4 divided by 2. We have two digits. It means that the number of the digits in the square root of the given perfect square number is 2. We can also verify our answer because we know that the square root of 256 equals to 16, and in 16 we have two digits. Now here we have another example of a perfect square in which we have four digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have four digits. So n equals to 4. As 4 is even, so we will use the formula which is used for the even numbers, and that is x equals to n divided by 2. Here we will put 4 in n. 4 divided by 2, which equals to 2. It means that we have two digits in the square root of the given perfect square. So in a verification, we know that the square root of 2304 equals to 48. Here 48 consists of two digits. So this is our verification. Hopefully आपको इसकी बहुत अच्छे से समझ आई होगी. So this is the end of our lesson number 5 of Unit 2 Real Numbers, in which we have learned a square root of non-perfect square and to find the number of digits in the square root of a perfect square through formulas. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get new videos on time. Moreover, it is requested you to share my videos with others so that they can also get benefit of my efforts. Till then, Allah Hafiz.